I'm going to teach you how to create a polished video in Canva from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable MP4 that looks and sounds great, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening Canva and logging in so your work saves automatically. From the home screen, click Create a Design. Choose Video with a 16:9 aspect ratio for a standard widescreen look, perfect for platforms like YouTube. If you're designing for something specific, like a unique display or a custom layout, you can enter a custom size instead. This sets your canvas and timeline so everything stays consistent from the start. Next, bring in your visuals. Upload your own clips and images, or browse Canva's stock footage if you need extras. Drag your media straight onto the timeline at the bottom. Arrange clips in the order you want them to appear. If a clip doesn't fill the frame, you can resize it on the canvas so it fits neatly. Keep an eye on the edges to avoid cutting off important details, and use background layers if you need to fill any empty space cleanly. Now add your message. Open the text tools to place headings, subheadings, or captions over your visuals, and drop in graphics from the Elements panel if they support your story. Position text so it's not sitting on busy parts of the image, and maintain strong contrast for readability. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts, keep sizes consistent, and consider safe margins so nothing gets cropped on different screens. For narration, choose between Canva's AI voice or record voiceover. With AI voice, pick a voice and paste your script, then place the generated audio under your visuals on the timeline. If you record your own voice, speak close to the mic in a quiet space and keep a steady pace. Align the narration with what's on screen so each point lands at the right moment. Enhance your audio by adding background music or subtle sound effects. Keep the music volume lower than your voice, often around a gentle bed, so narration stays clear. Use short fades at the start and end to avoid abrupt changes. Add transitions or simple animations to keep it smooth. Stick with subtle fades, slides, or minimal text animations. Consistency looks more professional than flashy effects. Preview your video from start to finish and make timing adjustments. Nudge clips, extend text durations, and fine-tune audio levels until everything feels natural. When you're happy, click Share, then Download, choose MP4, and Publish. Let it render, and you're ready to share your polished Canva video with the world.